Hey guys, it's Megan here with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I've got Allegra with the Grace Company working the quilt show, and she wanted to tell us about one of the cool setups you can do with the Grace Cutie frame.
Yeah, absolutely. So here we have the Cutie frame, and on it we have our 19X longarm machine. This is a wonderful machine, has built-in stitch regulation with 4 different stitch modes. It also has overspeed warning and edge warning as well. You have your own built-in bobbin winder with a separate motor, so if you ever need someone to help you wind your bobbin while you're quilting, you don't have to stop. Here it's on the Cutie frame, which is a hoop frame, so you can make anything from baby blankets, table runners, to queen, king, or larger if you're feeling fun and feisty.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, it's great. Here it is on just a little lifetime table. It goes on any flat, sturdy surface that's 4 feet wide by 2 feet deep, and you can store it when you're done using it.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah,
the Grace Cutie has truly been very popular. So if you haven't seen it, come check it out in our stores. We'd love to show you. And the fact that you can put a longer machine on it is incredible.
Yes.
So you
Don't
can upgrade
forget,
to that.
you can also put your own sewing machine on the Cutie as well.
Oh, absolutely. All right. Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Allegra.
you, Megan.
And we'll see you guys next time.